Okay, the weather is turning cooler, and this winter we plan to have a Honda generator sitting out here, a little Honda generator, and then a cord, this cord, 20 amp cord going into an outlet that I just installed, so that cover pops off, and then we'll plug the generator into that. Then this is a box I just cut in, and we've got some 12-2 Romex, and then we're going to put I'll put an outlet there, and then we'll be able to plug into that or plug that into our EcoFlow Delta battery packs, which they can power the fridge, the router, the furnace. I'm going to modify the furnace so we can plug into that too. So we have two of these. So that should give us a pretty good backup power when we have outages this winter, so the house doesn't get cold and the food doesn't go bad. So it just beats stringing a cord in the sliding glass doors, through the sliding glass doors. Don't want that.